Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's news roundup for August the 5th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, the FDA will update the label on Novartis' Gilenya after the multiple sclerosis drug was linked to cases of progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy. The label revision will include information about a case of definite PML and another of probable PML that have been reported in patients taking the therapy. Also featured, the European Commission approved Pfizer's pending $17 billion acquisition of Hospira, provided it sells certain assets. Specifically, Pfizer must divest some sterile injectable drugs due to possible competition concerns, as well as its biosimilar version of Remicade. In other news, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals said that second quarter sales of Eylea in the US increased 58% to $655 million. For the full year, Regeneron boosted its Eylea sales growth outlook in the US to between 45% and 50% versus 2014. In addition, AstraZeneca will study the anti-PD-L1 immune checkpoint inhibitor durvalumab with Mirati Therapeutics' mocetinostat. The combination will initially be evaluated in patients with non-small cell lung cancer. And finally, Aprecia Pharmaceuticals Spritam became the first drug approved by the FDA that is manufactured using 3D printing. The oral therapy is used to treat partial onset seizures, myoclonic seizures, and primary generalized tonic-clonic seizures in people with epilepsy. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.